Beef! Let's get the ovens going here. Get the ovens. Let's get the burners going. Throw in some salt and pepper here. Might as well do some garlic and some Italian seasoning. Only gonna do about half the onion here. Did he just waste that whole outer layer of onion? Damn right I did. It's the most American thing you can do. Waste things. America. Whoop. All right. Got to break up your big bits into smaller bits until you have bitty bits. Bitty bits, bitty bits, bitty bits, bitty bits. In goes our onions. Okay, everything looks browned here. Now to this, we're going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of flour. See that? Just 1 big tablespoon of it. Help us thicken things up. Because we're adding it like this, there's a lot of grease in the ground beef. We didn't drain the ground beef. This is kind of like making a weird roux. I don't know if you've ever made biscuits and gravy before. Watch previous videos if you want to see that. But when you make biscuits and gravy, kind of just throw the flour right on in there. And what it does is it sticks to the meat, kind of thickens up a little bit, so it doesn't clump up later is the big thing. We don't want it clumping up later. Now that's added, we can start adding in our liquids. So to this, we're going to add, this is a 24-ounce meat flavored sauce. Use whatever kind of sauce you want. We're just going to add about half of this right now. You know what? I can already tell we're going to need the whole thing. 1 jar of pasta in. And to this, we're going to add some heavy cream. This is a 16 ounces. We're going to add about half. We said it was going to be creamy. It's going to be creamy. So deliciously creamy. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, you can't make that stuff up, folks. We're going to add a little more salt. You know what? I think this is pretty thick. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of chicken stock to this just to thin it out some. We're probably just going to add, you know, about 6 or 8 ounces. A little more pepper. All right, time to add in our pasta. Says to let this boil for about 8 minutes. So we are going to let that happen. I kind of want to add the cheese right now, but I know I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't. Oh, yeah. Gonna add some sharp cheddar cheese. About 1 cup of cheese here. That cheese melts away into gooey goodness. Oh, yeah, look at that. Perfect. There goes our timer for the pasta. Take 1 of these shells or 2. Give them a taste without burning my face. Oh yeah, shells are done. Now to add in our pasta. Whoa, hopefully it all fits. Oh, gonna have to be careful with that. Just turning the heat off now. I would say instead of the chicken broth and heavy cream, you could probably get away just adding a lot of milk. I'm talking maybe 4 cups of milk instead of those 2. And you probably end up with something basically the same. So that just looks amazing, and I can't wait to taste it. It's like Hamburger Helper. A little milder, and it definitely doesn't have that boxed taste. I think that's what maybe it's missing, which is a good thing. Like when you're used to eating Hamburger Helper, you're expecting this processed taste. And this is just natural-ish, and amazing. Well, that is creamy pasta shells, basically Hamburger Helper. Hope you learned a couple things. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.